We're about to pick a few more strawberries. These are the Malvina. I think I'm going to pick this one. It seems a little bit soft. The other day was harder, so it should be ready to be picked. I'm not sure if this is their biggest size. I think they're supposed to be bigger, but we'll see. This is another one starting to ripen from this variety. They're just starting to ripen now. See, they're still forming. They're after the Ostara variety, which makes smaller ones, and it's blooming again now. We have some of those in these spots. I don't expect to pick many of the Ostara today because we've been picking for the last few days, but I've noticed there's still some red ones today, unexpectedly, because yesterday I picked all the red ones and I couldn't see even half red ones, but today they're ripe again. So that's wonderful to see. I'm gonna pick this one. Beautiful. I've just watered the garden maybe like half an hour ago. Just finished eating, and you can't really see it because the wood chips absorb the moisture so well and keep the area dry, but underneath it's nice and moist, which is great for growing mushrooms and for feeding the soil. Okay, one Malvina strawberry picked. This is Ostara. The blueberries as well are growing really well. You can see still some moisture on the leaves dripping there on the wood chips, feeding the mycelium and the soil underneath. You see here, all this is Wankia mycelium, which will give us edible mushrooms. I've watered because we're having a few really hot days. I mean, it is July after all, and just want to make sure the mycelium is thriving. Here's some more Ostara strawberries over there. I'll pick some and show you at the end how many I picked. Here are the Ostara blooms. Some garlic over here. More blueberries here. Beautiful bird song. Okay, I'm gonna start picking. You can see the Malvina is darker than the Ostara strawberries, but these are ripe. They're not unripe just because they're not fully red. So you can see the differences. It's quite sunny, but this one is a bit rotten. Some of the beautiful Duke blueberries. First year growing here in our garden, this bush. Some more of the blueberries, the triple variety this time. I look forward to them turning bluish, which means they'll be ripening. These are the strawberries I picked today. I ate some from the back as well, but see, I think you can notice the difference between the Malvina and the Ostara strawberries. I was expecting them to be larger. This is still a pretty large size, but last year I grew rendezvous strawberries and there were some bigger than this, so I'm hoping this variety makes strawberries even larger than this. But the most important will be the taste, so I'll be trying it soon. Maybe I could have left it a bit longer on the plant. It is firm, slightly soft, but I think it could have stayed a bit longer on the plant actually to turn a deeper shade of red, like even more red, dark red than this. You can see the difference. So maybe it won't be as sweet as it's supposed to be, but I'll find out soon. I'll check it, make sure it's all clean. Let's try it. It's nice. It's deep in red inside. These are more whitish. So refreshing. It's a very hot day, lovely summer day, perfect to go to the beach, which we'll be doing in maybe an hour and a half, two, something like that, when it will be low tide.